So Bonsai is in business of helping brands to build better creatives for new digital screens. Our customers, who are big brands across the globe, are very innovative, and they are looking at innovative ways to reach out to their audience and build that engagement. We met a couple of companies, we kind of evaluated their past work, and we finally chose Talentica as our partner. Primarily for two reasons. One is that their entire process of delivering technology is very agile. Secondly, they have a very innovative approach in terms of solving problems at different stage. And I think that's what made us look at Talentica, and that's what made us go to them and help us build the entire studio, which is a very essential part of our offering to the global customers. When we started, the tablet was not at all there. It just started happening 2 years back. When we started, most of the things were on Flash, and we built the entire technology on HTML5. So there are challenges in technology when you look at a very progressive way of doing it. You need to have a partner who has that kind of a pace, who can help us build that technology at that pace. Talentica helps understand this entire spectrum very well. They have capability, they have capable people, they have great processes to understand this and put together into a kind of a framework which help us deliver what our customers are looking at us to deliver. So that's a very important reason for us to work very closely with Talentica on our studio part. I think the kind of people who work in Talentica are world class. Let me say that. I think if one of the big difference which I see, the kind of people who work, the kind of knowledge and the kind of approach they come with, it's very important for us to work with great people to build some great technology for our customer. Our entire business, our entire platform is about delivering innovative creative formats, and for us, every customer and every success for us and customer is about innovation. And I'll rate our technology partner Talentica at a very high scale on the innovation, because they've been doing some fabulous work, particularly when we were looking at some of these advertising formats across the screen, which is, let's say, tablet and a desktop together. I think the team was able to build something really awesome in that. So I think coming to innovation, I think Talentica is definitely a very innovative tech company. In terms of productivity, yes, they've been very good. Whatever we kind of ask, they've always been delivering on time and always been delivering on the way we require them to deliver. So I think overall, it's a great technology company with innovation as a key thing in their entire day-to-day work. Yeah, many actually, because we work in an environment where once the studio is used by our customer to build a creative, the creative needs to work at scale, and I think that's a big challenge in our industry. And this challenge is really to be solved through a technology, and that's where our partner Talentica has come up with a solution where whatever creative is built through our platform can be served through various integrated partners of ours at scale. So that's a big win for us, because that's where the creative is served across various platforms. The Talentica is a real partner in our success. The way we have built this entire platform is at two levels. One is at the studio, and one is at the analytics. The entire studio, which is a design tool, is built by Talentica from scratch, and that's where we initially decided to go to Talentica and kind of build this entire thing. And they built it so beautifully and so nicely and so fast that we could actually go to the market by integrating our analytics into it, and we made our time to market that much lesser. And that's a kind of a winning formula for us, because we started getting customers at a very early stage, and this entire design tool, which is built by Talentica, has really helped us offer a complete solution to our customer. Bonza is a significant player in markets like Southeast Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. After these markets, for us, taking this product to markets like US and UK is a obvious growth path for us. As we know, these two markets, the expectations are different, the customer's requirement is a bit different, and hence we need to build certain products and features related to those markets. And I'm sure for us, going forward, our partners, Talentica is going to be that much more important for us. I think we need a much deeper integration, much forward-looking working together, and I'm sure we'll go there together and win that market too.